In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in a Facebook group anonymously. Now, this works in 2023, so make sure you follow the whole tutorial to ensure that you get it all correct. Make sure you pay attention closely, because if you don't, it may not work and you may accidentally post it non-anonymously. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to, of course, go into Google Chrome or something like that and go onto Facebook. Once we've gone into Facebook, we want to sign in. Now, from signing in, we want to go ahead and go to a group that we're in. So this is a group that I am in here, and I'm going to post something in here. So the way that you would do this is you would go to the top, and instead of clicking into the search bar here and typing in here like this, you don't want to do that. There's a button here that says anonymous post. So you can post in. It says anonymous posts published in this group do not include your name or profile. Admins, moderators, and Facebook system can see your name and profile photo. Details you include in an anonymous post could reveal your identity. To protect your privacy, we've turned off some options. So now we can click that, and it's going to give us this option here to create our post. Now, alternatively, we could just create the post like normal and turn this option on the top on, and that's going to do the same thing. From there, we can write our post in, and we can do it and post it there, and it'll be completely anonymous. And that's how you do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below if this helped you. If it did, then please comment and say this video helped, and it will help other people know that this video is good for them. If you have any other videos you want me to make, let me know in the comments below and I will do that. So thank you for watching.